Hi, I'm Rob Mays with Hance's Uptown Collision Center, and this is Collision Conversation. As a lifelong car guy in Dallas, Texas, I'm also known as a car nut of Dallas. I've been servicing cars in the Metroplex since 1995. I bought Roy Hance's original business that he started in 1955, and we've grown the operation to our new location in Plano, Texas. Let's talk parking lot repair sharks. We see guys driving around all the time with signs on their cars saying, "I'll fix your car in the parking lot." They'll stop in someone's parking lot and do a repair to your car. They'll offer a cheap price for your car. That's not a great relationship. They don't have insurance. They're not looking out for your best interests. They're trying to make a quick buck. And I know that cost and value is important. We know that getting a car repaired properly and economically is always important, but today's cars are complicated. A lot of cars today have the technology of a plasma TV driving down the road at 75 miles an hour. Most of us wouldn't throw a plasma TV on the hood of our car and drive down the road, but that's the amount of technology going on in your vehicle. And small scrapes and bumps and bruises, they don't really seem like they're that much damage, but they can really affect small systems on the car. A lot of modern cars have sensors in the bumper, and those bumper sensors can be hidden behind the plastic bumper, and if improperly repaired or not using the right products, won't function properly. So you may create more opportunities for damage by running into a pole, or maybe even a pedestrian detection device. Several cars have pedestrian detection devices in the rear bumper that you can't fix the bumper, you're supposed to replace the bumper. So you need to have someone who understands that and appreciates that and is looking out for your best interest, the best interest of the people on the street sharing the road with you, and parking lot sharks aren't those kind of guys. They probably have a talent, they probably have a lot of knowledge. That knowledge is not geared towards helping you, it's geared towards removing the money from you that's in your pocket. I have a lot of customers that come into our store after having the car fixed in a parking lot saying, "Yeah," he said, "just go get it clear coated somewhere, or go get it polished and buffed out and it'll look better." And it's not the case. Usually the products they're using won't work with our products. The work is so bad that if we put our products on it, it might melt it off, and we just won't put our name on bad work. So we always tell clients that come to us first, ask our opinion, we'll give you some options. If you've had work done by a parking lot shark, we'll probably have to start the whole process over. And so it's really a way to lose money quickly in two different transactions instead of coming to the right people first. And price is consideration. There's lots of shops out there that can do the work. All good shops use a very similar software and estimating book of information, and all shops have fairly similar rates. There can be differences of opinion, but if you compare an apples to apples estimate together, they should be pretty close. And the parking lot sharks don't put anything in writing. They don't do it on an estimating computer. They're only wanting to do it for cash in a parking lot with no insurance, no safety precautions, no environmental impact studies, and other things that we do as a legitimate business to get your car fixed properly. For more collision conversations, subscribe to our channel, Hance's Uptown Collision.